Think buying offshore hosting is complicated? Give me just 2 minutes and I'll show you how to order it step by step without the tech headaches. Let's get started.
Open your browser and search for HostingTom. Click on the official website. Once you're on the home page, hover over Hosting, then click Offshore Hosting. And yes, if you just want to test things first, HostingTom also offers a free trial, so you can try it before making a decision. Now scroll down until you see the available hosting plans. Take a look at the features and pricing, then choose the plan that fits your needs. Found the perfect one? Awesome! Click Order now. Next, it's time to choose your domain. If you already own a domain, select I will use my existing domain. If you're starting from scratch, you can register a brand new domain instead. For this tutorial, we'll use an existing domain. Enter your domain name, choose the correct domain extension, like .com, .net, or whichever you use. Then click Use. Easy so far, right? Now you're on the Configure page. Here, you can choose your preferred billing cycle. Monthly, quarterly, yearly, pick whatever works best for you and your budget. Once you've selected it, click Continue. On the review page, double-check your order. Got a coupon code? Lucky you! Enter it in the coupon box. Click Validate Code and enjoy the discount. If you don't have one, well, your wallet just looked at you with disappointment. Once everything looks good, click Checkout. Finally, fill in your personal and billing details. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the additional information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. A payment page will now appear. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and you'll see your newly purchased hosting account waiting for you. And finally, click Login to cPanel. And that's it! Your offshore hosting order is complete, and your hosting account is ready to use. You can now start building your website, upload your files, or migrate your existing site whenever you're ready.
If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hosting tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.